Hello students, in today's class we are going to study different types of e-commerce. Now, the main participants in e-commerce are business, administration, government and consumer. Based on the participants, e-commerce primary types are as follows. The first one, business to consumer, B to C. Second one, business to business, B to B. Third one, consumer to consumer, C to C. And the last one is consumer to business, C to B. So these are the four major types based on the participants. Now let us see one by one. First one, business to consumer. In business to consumer model, business sells its product to the customer directly. So whenever we are doing online shopping, at that time we are using business to consumer model. A business person will put all the products on the website. As a customer, we are going to see all the products. After the products, we are going to choose the product and then order the same. Okay. After the order is done, the website is going to intimate the organization or the business via an email. After the email is intimated, the organization is going to dispatch the products. The products, after being dispatched, are received by the customer. So this is how the online shopping is working. Okay, and this is your business to consumer model. These B2C businesses are online retailers. These retailers are online retailers. Examples are Amazon, Flipkart and many other shopping sites. Next one, business to business, B to B. In this model, business sells its product to an intermediate buyer who then sells the product to the customer. So there is a wholesaler. A wholesaler will sell the products to a retailer and the customer is going to go and buy the products from the retailer. Okay. So a wholesaler places an order from the company's website. After receiving the consignment, sells the product to the customer who comes to buy the product at one of the retail outlets. So this is how the chain goes from business to business. One business person is going to give the products to another business person and in turn from that business person, a customer is going to buy that. Example, a Tata Communications, a network provider. Next one, consumer to consumer. In this type, there are two consumers. One of the consumer has already got the product and is no longer going to use it. That consumer is going to post it on one of the websites. The second consumer is going to check the product and if required, will order it from the customer. Okay, so let's see. This is the diagram you can see over here. There is one consumer over here placing the requirement on the website. Another consumer over here which is wanting to buy. After they check the goods, they are going to do transactions and the product will be sold. So in this model, a consumer is going to sell one of its assets, maybe a residential property, car, motorcycles, or they can rent a room by publishing it on the website. The website on which they are publishing, they may charge the consumer or they may not charge. Examples, OLX, Quicker, online auctions. All these, they fall in this category. The last type, consumer to business. In consumer to business model, consumer has some product or a service of some value which is going to be helpful for the business. Okay. the business organization who fulfills the consumer's requirement within the specific budget, approaches the customer and the product and provides them services. So let's take an example that I am one consumer. I want to order a cake. When I want to order a cake, I can place my requirement on one of the websites. There will be various business people who are going to see the requirement. After seeing the requirement, they will give their own specifications. Based on the specification, as a customer, I can decide from which business person I am going to order that particular cake. Okay, so this is one example of consumer to business. There is one more example. Another example is a blog which is written by an author for a business to improve the sales. So if there is a consumer and the person is writing a blog about the business, it is going to help the business. Okay, so the consumer is giving something to the business. Also, the reviews, the ratings that a consumer is giving to the business fall in this category. Okay, so these are the 4 different types of business to of e-commerce. Okay.